Good morning, students. Till now we discussed about three forms, that is slope point form, 2 points form, intercept form. Now our next form is slope intercept form. Okay, so slope intercept form means we can understand here only. So the equation of the line having slope m and y-intercept. If you know any one of the slope and any one of the intercept, that means either x-intercept or y-intercept. If you know the slope and either x-intercept or y-intercept, then you can give a one equation, one form of the equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c when y-intercept is c and m is slope of that line. So this is the, let us consider this is the coordinate axis and y-intercept is for suppose c, that means it intersects on y-axis at 0 comma c and slope is m. So we know that whenever y-intercept is c, so that point is 0 comma c. So this is the line passing through 0 comma c and having slope m. So the equation of the line having slope m and passing through x1 comma y1 is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here y1 means c only, x1 means 0. That means y minus c is equal to m into x minus 0. That is mx only. So y is equal to, if you minus c transfer that side, then we got y is equal to mx plus c. Very, very important form. Next one. If you know the x-intercept and slope, then the equation form is, see, equation of the line having slope m and x-intercept is sum a. Okay, is that formula is y into, that means y is equal to m of x minus a, that means m into x minus a. So this is whole bracket, this m is for total x and minus a also. Okay, see here, proof of this one is, let us consider this is the coordinate axis and having the slope m, and if you know x-intercept is a, then where it intersects on x-axis is nothing but a comma 0. So again the equation of the line which is passing through x1 comma y1 and slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That means y minus y1 means 0 is equal to m into x minus x1 means a here. So x minus a, that means y minus 0 is 0 only. So y is equal to m of x minus a. Okay, next one. Conversion of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 into slope intercept form. Okay, so slope intercept form means y is equal to mx plus c. Generally we say slope intercept form is, generally we say y is equal to mx plus c only, where c is the y-intercept, m is the slope. Okay, conversion. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So by, first you make so we need to get it is in the form of some y is equal to mx plus c. So make y term as subject. So by is equal to minus ax minus c. So we want only coefficient of y is equal to 1 only. So that means b transpose to right side. That means minus a by b into x minus c by b. Okay, so this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is equal to minus a by b and c is nothing but here this c is different of this c. Okay, so constant is nothing but here minus c by b. So whenever the slope in, that means for ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, slope is nothing but always minus a by b. That means minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Very, very important. So slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a by b. Here that is nothing but minus coefficient of x by minus coefficient of y. So if you have in the form of directly y is equal to mx plus c, so coefficient of x is nothing but a slope. Okay, if it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, slope is nothing but minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Very, very important. Next one. Two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are parallel. Parallel means what? Their slopes are equal. That means minus a1 by b1 is equal to minus a2 by b2. So both sides minus minus get cancelled. We have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay. Next, already we know that identical. Two lines are identical means their corresponding coefficients are in same ratio. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So you know about this one in 10th class only. Okay, so just you recall them. Now next one is form of equation of the line which is parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by is equal to k. Very very important. The equation of the line which is parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by is equal to k. Here two parallel lines difference is only the constants, remaining terms are same. That means x term and y term should be same and only the difference is constants. So the parallel equation of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is nothing but ax plus by is equal to k. Next one, form of equation of the line which is perpendicular to x plus by plus c is equal to 0 is see here you just remember. So this b take as coefficient of x and this a take as coefficient of y and take in between minus. That gives the perpendicular equation of the given equation. That means, so the perpendicular equation of this line is nothing but in the form of bx minus ay is equal to k, where k is a constant. So so if you find this k, you can get the exact perpendicular equation. How can you get this k? They will give any point. That means any point on that required line. If you substitute that point in this equation, so you get the value of k, and again you substitute in this one, you get the original equation. Okay, I will see one example based on that one. The equation of the horizontal line passing through the point 4 comma minus 7 is, see here already I discussed the equation of the horizontal line means that is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means y coordinate on that line all y coordinates are equal only. So because of this is the line passing through point 4 comma minus 7 means here on this line horizontal line all y coordinates are nothing but minus 7 only. So that equation is represented by y is equal to minus 7 only. So y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the answer for that question. So the equation of the straight line making an intercept of 3 units on the y-axis and inclined at 45 degrees to the x-axis. So the equation, and based on the previous concepts I am giving some examples. Okay, so that is the equation of the straight line making an intercept of 3 units making on the y-axis. That means he given y-intercept, that means c is equal to 3 the given and inclined at 45 degrees, that means theta is equal to 45 degrees they given. So that means we have to find out m means tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So c is equal to 3 and m is equal to 1. So the equation of the required line is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c means y is equal to 1 into x plus 3. So 1 into x means x only. So y is equal to x plus 3, or if you y transpose to right side, it gives x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, next one, x-intercept of the line parallel to 4x plus 7y is equal to 9 and passing through 2 comma 3 is, see here already I gave the the line which is parallel to any equation, some ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to c also, no problem. So this equation parallel is nothing but parallel equation is nothing but 4x plus 7y is equal to some k, very clear. And passing through this is 2 comma 3. So if you want to find out that k here, so substitute this 2 comma 3 on this first equation. Okay, because of this 1 is passing through 2 comma 3. So if you substitute 2 comma 3 here, then you get the value of k. So since it is passing through 2 comma 3, so 4 into 2 plus 7 into 3 is equal to k. So k is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 7 3s are 21. So k is equal to 29. So that equation is nothing but required. That means the line which is parallel to the given line is nothing but and passing through 2 comma 3 is 4x plus 7y is equal to 29. Now he is asking for this equation, he is asking x-intercept. So x-intercept is nothing but what is that? So if you 29 transpose to left side, it gives 4x by 29 plus 7y by 29 is equal to 1. Then x-intercept is nothing but 29 by 4. Otherwise, to get x-intercept, take y is equal to 0. So this term becomes to 0. So 4x is equal to 29. So x is equal to 29 by 4. That is nothing but our required x-intercept. Next one. In another method, same question we can do in different method. So here I used a parallel equation form, 4x plus 7y is equal to k. So without that one, we can do in one more method. So given slope of, that means first if you want to find out the equation which is parallel to this one and passing through this 2 comma 3 is nothing but so the required equation, that means the parallel equation slope also equal to slope of the given equation, and we know that one of the point 2 comma 3. So if you apply slope point form, you get the parallel equation of the given equation. After that, you can find the x-intercept. So slope of the given equation is nothing but minus 4 by 7, because it is in the form of ax plus by is equal to k. So minus b a by b means minus 4 by 7. So equation which is parallel to the given line and passing through 2 comma 3 is nothing but y minus 3 is equal, that means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 by 7 into x minus 2. So this 7 transposed to this side. So 7y minus 7 3s are 21 is equal to minus 4x plus 4 2s are 8. So if you simplify, 4x transpose to left side, 4x plus 7y is equal to minus 21 transpose to right side, then you get 8 plus 21, that is equal to 29. To get x-intercept, take y is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 29, x is equal to 29 by 4. So any method we can do. So if you learn the concepts, we can do in any method. Okay. Next one, normal form of a straight line. Okay, this is one more form. So till now we completed 4 forms. Okay, that means point slope form, 2 points form, intercept form. Next one is slope intercept form. Now another form is normal form of a straight line. So equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from, very important, equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is p and angle made by the normal to the line with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is theta. Then at equation normal form of that straight line is nothing but x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. Very important. That means if you take any equation, if you want to find out the any equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from origin is p, that means let us consider this is the straight line and which is at a distance of p units from the origin. So this distance is nothing but from origin, this distance is p units, and angle made by the normal to the line. Normal means that is perpendicular only. So normal means that is perpendicular only. So perpendicular means this is only the perpendicular to this line from origin. Okay, so if this line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of x-axis means this is theta, then this equation is nothing but x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. Very important. Okay. Now proof of this one is nothing but, so you understand that this is the straight line and which is at a distance of p units from origin, and this normal, this is normal, or we can say perpendicular also, no problem. So this normal makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, now where this normal and this straight line intersects, that point is just to denote with x1 comma y1. Okay, x1 comma y1, let us consider. So if it is x1 comma y1, so this is nothing but, this length is nothing but y1, this length is nothing but x1. So it is theta, it is 90 degrees. So because of from any point on the plane, the distance from that point to x-axis is nothing but a y coordinate. Distance means shortest distance. Shortest distance means that is perpendicular only. Okay, so now it is nothing but a right angle triangle. Okay, let us consider this is OAB. Okay, so here OAB is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, okay, if you want to take cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is nothing but small p, so x1 by p. And so x1 is equal to, we can say, p cos theta. Similarly, if you want to find out sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. That means y1 by p. So p sin theta is equal to y1. You understand here p is nothing but perpendicular distance. Distance you are considering always with positive only. So you understand here p is always positive. That is important. And here slope of this line. So I am finding what I want to require to prove this one. Okay, so it is a theta they given, it is 90. So it is normal to this line. Normal means perpendicular only. It is also 90. Now you observe this is OB some C you take. Okay, if you observe OBC triangle, this is also right angle triangle. So if it is theta, then it is 90 minus theta. Okay, so it is 90 minus theta, and this total is linear pair. If it is 90 minus theta, it becomes to 90 plus theta. Then only this total angle becomes to 180, because 90 minus theta plus 90 plus theta, theta get cancelled, we get 180. So it is 90 minus theta means it is 90 plus theta. So the inclination of this line is nothing but 90 plus theta. So to get the slope, to apply for this angle tan function. So that means m is equal to tan of 90 plus theta. So you just remember tan 90 plus theta. So I give these formulas in one class. Tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. You just remember. So here slope is equal to minus cot theta. You know about cot theta in 10th class only. So the required equation is nothing but which is passing through x1 comma y1. That means here x1 comma y1 is nothing but p cos theta comma p sin theta in terms of the given notations only. That means in terms of p and theta only I give this x1 comma y1. Okay, so because of it is passing through p cos theta comma p sin theta and having slope minus cot theta is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 means p sin theta, x1 means p cos theta, and m is equal to minus cot theta. So this implies y minus p sin theta is equal to, just to expand this one, cot means cos by sin. That means cos theta by sin theta into x minus p cos theta. So this sin theta transpose this side. So y sin theta minus sin theta into sin theta p sin square theta is equal to minus cos theta into x minus x cos theta minus into minus plus p cos square theta. Now transpose this minus x cos theta to left side. That gives y sin theta plus x cos theta is equal to, transpose this minus p sin square theta to right side. That becomes to p cos square theta plus p sin square theta. So totally we can write, if in the order according to first term is x and the second term is y, then it is x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to, if you take p common from these two terms, if you take p common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, p into 1 is equal to p only. So this is nothing but a normal form of a straight line. Okay, so to get a normal form of a straight line, so required conditions are nothing but we have to know about the distance from origin to that straight line, and that perpendicular or normal to that straight line makes an angle theta. Okay, so if you know those two, you can write the normal form, that is nothing but x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. You just understand that this p is always positive. So conversion of the line into normal form. Before conversion of any line to normal form, first so the different figures of normal forms of a line you will see. Okay, so see here, this is the straight line. So it is one of the line, and it is a p, and it is the theta. You may get that means a theta is acute angle. That means it is in the first quadrant. It may be in first quadrant also. And if you take, this is the straight line, and it is the normal, and the distance is p, and this normal makes an angle theta. That means this theta may be obtuse angle. That means more than 90 also. Okay, next one, if the straight line is here, okay, so it is the normal, and this normal distance is nothing but some p. So then angle is nothing but inclination is nothing but this normal makes an angle theta. That means it is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant means more than 180. More than 180. Okay, more than 180 also we may get. Next one, if the straight line is here, it is the normal, and this normal distance is some p, and this normal makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, means this is total one. From here to here we have to start. Okay, so now the angle between x-axis and this straight line, this is the angle. So this is more than 270 also, because of it is 0 degrees. Always you remember 0 degrees, it is 90 degrees, it is 180 degrees, it is 270 degrees, again it becomes to 360 degrees. In trigonometry we know about this one. Okay, so that means if the angle is here, means we can understand it is more than 270 also. Next one, if angle is, that means the angle may be in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So in first, second, third, fourth means you may have any angle between 0 to 360, and we just discussing about these quadrant angles. Quadrant angles means here 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees also we can discuss. Okay, see here, if the coordinate x is this one, if the straight line is here, if straight line is here means this is only the normal, that is from origin to this point. Okay, this is the normal, that means this is coincide to y-axis. If it is coincide to y-axis, this makes an angle 90 degrees, and this is the line parallel to x-axis, means it is in the form of some y is equal to k. Here k is nothing but p, because of distance is equal to p. Distance is equal to p means y coordinates are always on this line is nothing but p only. So this is the equation, y is equal to p. That means our theta may be 90 degrees also. Okay, next one, if for suppose it is a straight line is here, that means this is the that is, it is the inclination of this normal. Here normal is nothing but this is only the normal, this is coincide to negative direction of y-axis. Okay, so here to here angle is nothing but 270 degrees. It means here you got 90 degrees, here you got 270 degrees, and this normal form is nothing but y is equal to minus p, because it is negative direction of y-axis. If it is p, so this because of negative direction it becomes to minus p, so y is equal to minus p, and here you understand theta is equal to 270 degrees also. Next, if you take the line is here x is equal to some p, that means here this is the normal perpendicular. If it is the normal means the distance is you take to, if you take p, then this is nothing but p comma 0. If it is nothing but p comma 0 is nothing but this is the line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis always x is equal to some k. Here k is nothing but p, because this distance is p, so it is 0, the p comma 0. P comma 0 means always on this line x coordinates are equal, that is nothing but p. Okay, so next one, here the angle is nothing but 0 degrees, because this normal doesn't make any angle with x-axis, this is coincide to x-axis. Next, if it is the line is negative direction, that is negative direction of that means left side of y-axis, that means here normal means this is only, this length is p, because of it is negative direction, so you take minus p, so this line is nothing but my x is equal to minus p, but here angle is nothing but 180 degrees. Here angle is nothing but 180 degrees, because it makes an, this normal makes an angle 180 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. So this is also another point. For suppose, very important, if the line is passing through origin, the line is passing through origin, actually passing through origin means normal doesn't exist here. Yes, because of normal means the perpendicular, that means that the perpendicular distance from origin to straight line, because of this straight line only the passing through origin, so we cannot get the distance. So in this way, in this condition, so normal form does not exist. Okay, normal form does not exist. Next, so by observation of all these figures, we can understand the range of theta is lies in between 0 to 360 degrees. 0 to 360 degrees. Any angle we may get. That means in first quadrant 0 to 90 degrees. Second quadrant 90 to 180. You never get 0 or 90 in first quadrant. Second quadrant 90 or 180 you never get. Third quadrant 180 to 270 you never get these angles, but between the angles you can get. Fourth quadrant 270 to 360, between the angles we can get. If the line is like this, you get 90 degrees. If the line is like this, you get 270 degrees. If the line is like this, you can get 0 degrees. If the line is uh, like this, you can get 180 degrees. So 0, 90, 180, 270 also you may get. Okay. So totally the range of theta is always lies in between 0 to 360 degrees. So based on this one, that means conversion we can see in next video.